So we're going to go from the Lake Roxburgh village, Shingle Creek, where we get picked up by the boat. That takes us to Doctor's Point, and then we finish it off on the other side to Alexandra. 11 k's to Shingle Creek. Boat ride is 12 k's long, and then Doctor's Point to Alexandra, another 10. To the Gorge Trail. The Roxburgh Gorge Trail, 180 metres. Up. Welcome to the Roxburgh Gorge cycling and walking trail. I'm going to be doing this over one day. Got to catch a jet at 11:30 north, Shingles Creek to Doctor's Point. That's been arranged. Been a bit of a drama going north. It's going to take an hour and a half to get to the pickup point for the jet. So I've got plenty of time. Through another gate. And this is it, Shingle Creek.
this here is a museum. This is known as Mrs. She was the only known lady that has mined in the gorge back in the day. There used to be about 2,000 to 3,000 miners that lived in the gorge at one time. You see the ground covered in time. That was also an introduction from the same time. The time the herb got introduced by a Frenchman called John Desiree Ferrari. He was the first mayor of Clyde, the godfather of the local wine industry of Monte Cristo winery, the first vineyard.
Right, this is one of the huts. Let's go have a look inside. Oh, wow, that's not bad. Wouldn't want to live here, but an overnight. And now we come. Let's go gold mining. Butcher's Creek, 4.5 to go. Now entering Badlands. Four kilometers. I'm at Neil Desperado Bluff. 1 kilometer to go. One K to go. Just through there is the old, probably railway line bridge, and now we're going under here. Just finished the Roxburgh Gorge Trail. Good trip. Just takes a day. Just have to get organised with the jet boat. Plenty of time in advance. Great jet boat trip, bit of history, and then you get a little bit cold, so bring a jacket or something like that, but you warm up at the end. If you like my videos, subscribe, appreciate a comment or two, and keep watching. Bye from now. Thank you. Oh, that was close to the edge.